I have a unboxing I want to do. I got this off of eBay from Petzone Tropical Fish. And my little cane clearing back up. I'm thinking about just running this cane with a sponge filter and not using that one. Or either try and put the thing back on that one, see if I can get the water, but not shooting out like this. And there's my little baker. And my play goes back there wanting to hide, but yeah, let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's one of the things I ordered. Let's see. Okay, there's that. It's all in the box. Take the box down here. Let's see. If I can do this one-handed. Yeah. Okay, is everything? Yeah. Okay. And we have is a Pleco cave hut, whatever you want to call it, for my flash Pleco. So I'm going to put it in here somewhere. Maybe put some plants around it. He thinks she's hiding Bella. I would like to go get me some more type of Plecos, maybe go breed them. I used to have a king of nothing but Plecos a long time ago. I like green dragons and a blue eye, bristle nose, stuff like that. But I don't know yet. But I do got him. Yeah. But this is my Pleco cave. I got from Petzone. See what it is. Probably just yeah, I guess just a receipt or something. Yeah. Looks like this. Yeah, that's my receipt. And the card. But yeah, that's been my little unboxing. Look at my flower horn. He ate some food over. Yeah. This been an unboxing. Never had one of these type of caves before. Guess I gotta wash it a little bit before I put it in. It's ceramic, I think, so it will break. So if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. A little bit close up. I put that Pleco got a wafer in there, but he acts like he don't really care that much for the wafer. But I put some pellets in there last night for the bag on one song, and I think Pleco ate it. Because it was right there. Now it's not. So thanks for watching.